Hi, Planner Bestie. Welcome to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe. In this video, I'll be upgrading my planner, changing the disc out from 1.5 inch to 2 inch disc. If this is something that interests you, hopefully you stay to the end. So right now in this planner, you see there's no room, and I only have 2024 CP Petite daily inserts in this planner. This is the full year that's in here, and there's no room to expand. So I'm upgrading and changing the disc size. So join me in this journey. So as I remove this icon dashboard, I have to be extremely careful as I remove it. The previous icon dashboard I had last year, it actually cracked when I tried to remove it, so I'm very cautious as I change it out. But luckily I was able to change it and it did not crack. Now it's time to add my inserts with the new larger disc. Now the main concern after I add all the inserts, will the cover actually close? And we're gonna see. So hopefully stay towards the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this part up as I transition the inserts to the larger disc. So I'm halfway through. So we only have a few more minutes left and I should be done and transitioning into the larger disc. So I'm almost done and we're going to see if I can actually close the complete 2024 planner with the 2-inch disc with the smooth black Discbound system. So now my entire 2024 inserts has been transitioned to the larger disc. Now I just have to add the back cover of the system and then to see if it will close with the 2-inch disc with the entire 2024 planner setup. My chunky Discbound. This planner is absolutely chunky and it's snapped and closed. Thank you for joining me in the journey of transitioning from 1.5-inch disc to 2-inch disc in my chunky Discbound for 2024. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please leave a comment. Have an awesome day.